we are taking third part of the lesson, something new, which has been written by Nirmala Arvind. Last time we have completed inferring word meanings and inferring theme from problem and solution. Okay, so today we are taking the third part of the same, inferring theme from actions and reactions. Okay, so let's start the lesson. So aim of the lesson to infer the theme of the text through character actions and reactions. And the resources, the things which we need for this lecture is notebook, your workbook because you have to complete activity number S3 and exceed content book. And the main important word is neighborhood. Okay, so let's start. So here there are two situations we have got so that we can understand how to infer theme from actions and reactions. In first situation, okay, imagine you are walking down the street and you meet a friend from your neighborhood. What would you say and do? Okay, you are simply walking, you happen to meet a friend from your neighborhood, and what would you say and do? One situation, which is very easy. Situation number two, now imagine you are walking down the same street and you meet the same friend but you are late for school. What would you say and do? The two situations are different. Here there is no tension, you are relaxed. Here there is a tension that you have to go to school on time, you have to reach there, but already you are late for school. So how you are going to react in these two situations? Let's understand. I would like to know from you as well, so kindly note down these two situations and please let me know your answer. Send it to me on WhatsApp. Even though both the situations were the same, the reactions in both were different. We understood that in situation 2, the person was in a hurry by the way he reacted. We can tell about a person by the way he acts and reacts in a situation. Similarly, we can find the theme of a story by observing character, actions, and reactions. Correct? So, today we will infer the theme of a story by observing character, actions, and reactions. So, what you have to do for that? You have to look through the story and underline lines that give Manu and Maina's key actions and reactions. Okay, so let's start. I hope must have you must have underlined the same. Okay, so let's check. In the beginning, characters, thoughts, and actions and reactions there, how they were imitated, lazy, and reluctant. Manu and Maina, they just want to play their video games, nothing else. But in the middle, they were confused and upset when the grandmother was calling them to ask something. In the end, they were very happy and excited when they come to know that besides all these mobile and computer games, there is nature. In nature, there are many things where we can get a real enjoyment. When they climb on the tree, they enjoy the mangoes. Okay, so the situation got changed and the end was really happy and excited. So here the theme is simply one must always be willing to try new things. When you try new things, you get happiness, you get excitement. Okay, so here we have seen these responses. We underline lines that initially told us how Manu and Maina are irritated, how they are irritated and upset about being disturbed by their grandmother. In the initially we get all this information. Okay, then lines that showed that they felt confused and upset about being pushed to climb the mango tree. Finally, lines that showed they feel happy when they enjoy themselves on the tree, being imaginary pirates and exploring nature that we have seen in the story. Correct? So it was really good ending. So this is what from inferring theme means we can conclude the theme from actions and reactions. Okay, so theme is simply one must always be willing to try new things. That's what the real message which we from this story get from this story. So we notice that Manu and Maina change a lot from the beginning to the end. Initially they were absent and irritated about having to give up their lazy video game playing and reluctant to try climbing the mango tree. But towards the end they were happy to have listened to their grandmother and given up their video games for a more exciting and imaginative game. Observing their changes, reactions, we could say that the theme of the story is that we should be willing to try new things. Correct? So that's what we have understood from all this. The theme. That's why the learning plan is inferring theme from actions and reactions. Okay, by seeing the actions and reactions of the characters mentioned in the story, one can easily understand what is the theme of the lesson. Correct? Very nice. Very good. So in homework, you have to complete these simple things, which is activity number S3. Okay, and in notebook, you have to complete practice question number 6 to 8. Okay, these questions are in your content book, so kindly complete all these things. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today you are completing finish S3, means you are completing S3 activity and practice question 6 to 8. At the same time you have to read the lesson completely, because when we'll have online session I'm going to ask you the questions. Okay, I'm going to ask you the word and their meaning. Okay, so let's complete the lesson and all this activity today itself. Thank you so much for watching this video so patiently and carefully. Thanks a lot.